So, another failure from my business. And honestly, sometimes I question myself and say, why am I doing this? Why am I showing the day-to-day journey of my success? Because there's so many failures. I can't even count. You know how many times I've had to sit down in front of a camera and admit to myself and to other people that I failed, that it didn't work out. It's honestly very humiliating sometimes. But today's different. And as I mentioned before, the countless times that I've sat down and told to a camera where I'm aware that people on the internet are going to see this, that I failed so many times, it was actually a good thing. Because I've trained myself. I've trained and worked and improved on my mentality. And that's what I wanted. Yes, the money is fine and it's all you want sometimes. But when you pray to God, He doesn't just give you money, He gives you the troubles. He gives you the obstacles for you to overcome, to becoming the person that makes money. And today's different because I'm starting to see it. I've had ads fail on me countless of times. And I always have to go back to the drawing board, and I fucking hate it. And I do hate it right now. I hate going back to the drawing board. But I before felt lost and frustrated and discouraged. What are other people going to think of me? And when am I going to start seeing results? Is it going to come fast? Why am I so dumb? Other people are making money. Other people did it in a faster time. I have none of that. I don't care. I'm on my own journey, and I'm actually so happy and so grateful to see the person that I'm becoming. That after a failure, I'm not down. I actually see progress, and I'm excited to now pursue something else. Pain is going to be in your life no matter what. And I'm starting to enjoy this pain. I may sound fucking crazy, but I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm starting to find peace in it, knowing that there is a greater meaning to it, rather than it's just pain. Because there's pain of not paying your bills. There's pain in being poor. There's pain in being fat. There's pain in being dumb. There's pain in being average. But this pain, will ever take this pain over that pain any day. You see, I don't want to make this video too long, but my vision of myself is so high. I expect a lot from me. And I've seen this theory where humans never become the perfect vision of themselves, but they become the lowest standard they accept. And yeah, I have such a crazy high standard vision of myself, and I'm so grateful for it, because with that high standard comes with, I won't accept average. I won't tolerate it. So I will therefore never become that. I will not. I won't accept it. So, again, I'm just very grateful for the journey. and the person I'm actually becoming. And I'm starting to look more at that rather than the actual results. And it's a really peaceful mindset. Realistically, I found a few errors in my ads and my product, and I'm going to try one more time. And the reason for that being is because since I've discovered a bunch of errors, I feel like if I were to give up now, I would have never known if I would have fixed these errors and actually tried my best that this could have been it. And not only about the results, even if it will fail, at least I know I'm trying my best in everything that I do. It's not that I try something and it doesn't work and I give up. No, I'm putting my all into it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I learned from Hormozy that, especially at the beginning, the reps that you put in are the most important. And I feel like I've been going at a slow pace. I've been switching products, switching brands at a much slower pace than I want to. So that is why after $800 on ad spend on this product, if I don't get the results I want, I truly believe I've tried my best in it. I truly do. And now I will go more for the rapid pace, potential TikTok, where I just go rapid and I just go switch. Quick. But again, I'm happy even though I failed. There's peace in that right now. Keep working hard. And I hate to make these videos so serious sometimes. I try to make them more enjoying and entertaining. Because, to get the viral clip, you want to be entertaining, right? It's just not who I am right now. In this position in my life, I feel like I'm very, very serious. But I'm trying my best to emphasize it and make it more entertaining. Anyways, keep working hard. And like I was saying, I'll see you at the top.